Every 3 seconds, someone develops dementia. That's over 10 million cases a year. But what if the drinks you consume daily could slow cognitive decline and even repair brain cells? A shocking 2023 study found that certain drinks don't just hydrate, they enhance memory, improve circulation, and even repair brain cells. Yet most seniors drink the wrong things instead, speeding up brain aging without realizing it. Today, we're not just talking about ordinary beverages, we're uncovering super drinks packed with powerful, science-backed brain-boosting ingredients. If you want to stay sharp, protect your memory, and slow cognitive decline, these are 5 special drinks designed just for you. Not only do they help protect against dementia, but they are also so delicious that you'll want to enjoy them every day. Special Drink 1: Turmeric Bone Broth. Jennifer, 66, from Boston, Massachusetts, had always prided herself on her sharp memory. But recently, she had started forgetting familiar names, losing track of conversations, and struggling to recall simple details. She feared it was the beginning of cognitive decline. During a visit to her doctor, she asked if there was anything natural she could do to support her brain health. Her doctor recommended something simple yet powerful: bone broth with turmeric. A 2023 study from the Journal of Neurochemistry found that collagen in bone broth helps repair brain cells and strengthens the blood-brain barrier, protecting against toxins linked to dementia. Meanwhile, a 2021 UCLA study confirmed that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduces amyloid plaques, the same toxic buildups found in Alzheimer's patients. She also learned that ginger and garlic, another potent anti-inflammatory ingredients, enhance circulation and further protects brain function. Jennifer started drinking it every evening. Within a few weeks, she noticed better mental clarity, improved recall, and fewer instances of brain fog. For a brain-boosting soup, add fresh ginger, garlic, and a pinch of turmeric with black pepper to homemade or store-bought bone broth and drink it warm. Special Drink 2: Green Tea, Coffee. Thomas, 74, from Denver, Colorado, had always started his mornings with coffee. But as he got older, he noticed that his focus wasn't as sharp, and his energy levels crashed by midday. He wanted the benefits of coffee, but without the jittery feeling or the afternoon slump. During a conversation with his doctor, he learned about an interesting combination: green tea and coffee. This blend, popular in some parts of Asia, combines the brain-boosting compounds of coffee with the calming, focus-enhancing effects of green tea. A 2022 study from the University of Basel found that green tea improves connectivity between brain regions, helping with memory and focus. Meanwhile, a major 2018 study showed that coffee protects against Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease by blocking toxic proteins from forming in the brain. Intrigued, Thomas started drinking half coffee, half green tea each morning. The caffeine from coffee kept him alert, while the L-theanine in green tea helped him stay focused without the jitters. Within weeks, he noticed better concentration, improved recall, and steady energy levels throughout the day. To try it yourself, brew equal parts black coffee and green tea, then mix them together for a balanced brain-boosting drink. Special Drink 3: Beetroot Juice with Apple Cider Vinegar. Amanda, 71, from Austin, Texas, had always been an avid reader, but lately she found herself rereading the same page, struggling to retain information. Conversations felt foggy, and she often lost track of what she was saying mid-sentence. Her doctor explained that her brain wasn't getting enough oxygen, which can lead to memory problems and slower cognitive function. Determined to improve circulation naturally, she started researching foods that support brain oxygenation. That's when she came across a 2017 study showing that beet juice increases oxygen delivery to the brain by 21%. She also learned that apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, two major factors in cognitive decline. Wanting the best of both, she decided to combine them into a sweet and sour brain-boosting drink. The natural sweetness of beets balances the tangy acidity of apple cider vinegar, creating a refreshing, nutrient-packed combination. Within weeks of drinking it daily, Amanda noticed better mental clarity, improved memory, and fewer energy crashes. For a delicious brain-boosting drink, mix 1 cup of beet juice with 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar. Special drink 4. Dark berry smoothies with kefir. Kevin, 76, from Seattle, Washington, had always been sharp. A lifelong chess player, he took pride in his strategy and quick thinking. But over the past year, his mind felt slower. He struggled to plan ahead, forgot moves he used to know by heart, and felt mentally foggy by midday. During a routine checkup, his doctor asked a question that caught him off guard. "How's your gut health?" Kevin had never known the connection, but his doctor explained that poor gut bacteria can increase brain inflammation, leading to memory problems and cognitive decline. Determined to take action, he started researching foods that support both brain and gut health. That's when he found a study showing that people who consume dark berries regularly slow brain aging by up to 2.5 years. He also discovered that kefir, a probiotic-rich drink, strengthens gut-brain communication and improves mental clarity. Kevin made a simple change, blending blackberries and blueberries with kefir into a daily smoothie. The anthocyanins in dark berries reduced brain inflammation, while the probiotics in kefir helped restore gut balance. Within months, his memory sharpened, his thinking became clearer, and his brain fog lifted. Number 5. Pomegranate coconut juice with lemon. Helen, 72, from Miami, Florida, had always been energetic and sharp, but recently, she found herself feeling mentally sluggish and forgetting details she once recalled easily. She wanted a natural way to boost her brain and energy without relying on caffeine. While her husband was researching, he discovered an UCLA study showing that pomegranate juice enhances memory and boosts brain function by increasing blood flow to key regions of the brain. She also learned that coconut water helps maintain proper hydration, preventing mental fatigue, while lemon provides additional antioxidants to fight brain inflammation. Helen started mixing pomegranate juice, coconut water, and a splash of fresh lemon juice into her daily routine. The result? A naturally sweet, slightly tangy drink with a calming aroma, packed with brain-boosting nutrients. Within weeks, she noticed better focus, sharper recall, and sustained mental energy throughout the day. For a memory-enhancing drink, mix the cup of coconut water, 1 cup of pomegranate juice, and the juice of half a lemon. Not every drink in this list will work overnight, but each one is backed by science and has the potential to protect, heal, and even regenerate brain cells. The key isn't just what you drink, it's the right combination of ingredients that work together to support cognitive function. Some people ignore brain health until it's too late. Others take action early and stay sharp for years. Now that you know what works, which one will you start drinking today?
And there you have it. What are your thoughts? Next, dive into this video for more essential tips to transform your health and help you thrive. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching Healthy End, and we'll see you there.